The global energy landscape is being reshaped. Digitalization and decarbonization are becoming shared priorities worldwide. With 17 manufacturing bases across 6 continents, Hexing's 30-year journey reflects sustained global growth and long-term commitment. In response to this transformation, Livoltek, a brand of Hexing, has launched its new intelligent manufacturing base. This is not just a factory, it is a fully integrated digital manufacturing system. Here, automation spans all core production processes, with key stations operating at 100% automation. Every second, real-time data flows into the MES. Sensors and automated inspection equipment are deployed throughout the line, transforming quality control from post-production inspection to in-process assurance. A digital warehouse management system enables real-time material allocation under FIFO principles, minimizing errors and omissions. An integrated product and customer database ensures full traceability for every unit, while accelerating outbound efficiency and logistics flow. Automated guided vehicle logistics systems operate alongside digital twin modeling to optimize production coordination, reducing labor in final assembly and enabling unmanned sub-assembly processes. By integrating equipment, workflows, and management systems, Livoltek is building a digital factory defined by automated operations, transparent production, intelligent logistics, mobile management, and data-driven decision-making, enhancing efficiency while advancing green manufacturing powered by clean energy. Higher levels of automation deliver stronger consistency. Smarter logistics enables faster response. Across 17 global manufacturing bases, we share one mission: to deliver dependable quality and responsive supply positioning. Livoltek, power your life with green energy.